Hi everyone, greetings from my office. I made it back. You've been on my mind though. It's been about 10 days since we've been together, and I am hoping that things are going well there. I'm hoping that you're feeling a difference when it comes to check-ins and check-outs and handling special requests. And how's the teamwork going? Are you listening to each other differently? Are you having different conversations? Are you handling guest service recovery in a different way now? I really want to know. More importantly, I'd love to get some feedback from you so that we can support you now as well. So I'm going to be sending you a survey here. I'd love it if you could take a minute to give us some feedback. What went well? What do we need to do now to make sure that we keep the learning going for you? So take 5-10 minutes to give us some feedback if you would, please. It's a really quick survey, Monkey Survey. I'd appreciate it. And that way we can put together some custom follow-up tools for you to make sure that you are feeling as supported as you can possibly feel now, okay? So thanks. Good luck on the opening of the Manor Inn to all of you that are actively involved with that. I'll see you in November. Until then, reach out to me for anything that you need. Erica@guestss.com. Thanks. Take care. Bye.